Friends, this is a lab session in which we are going to understand how we can use the chase command to view the password aging or how we can modify the password expiration. So let's start. So friends, we have a user Venkata. Okay, you can see I have just fired the command chase-l and the username. Now we are getting some output like last password change, password expiration, password inactive and account expiration. By default it is showing never. Now we are going to put some changes on that. First I am going to change the password expiry. I would be putting 10 for that user. This is just an example. I have just used the command chase-M, which would be modify the password expiration. Now you can see the password expiration has been changed from never to April 16, 2018. So what does it mean? It means user's password is going to expire on April 16th. And here you can see the number of days the warning before the password expire is 7. So till 7 day from 6 today, the user won't get any warning message. Once 7th day reaches from today, like 7th April, 8th April, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. After that, what will happen? When the user will try to log into this Linux server, he or she will start get a warning message, that is your password is going to expire. And the next 3 days he will get this warning message. So that it's just a warning message so that user can change their password before it get expire. Now the next thing is chase-inactive. I'm putting 5 days. Now let's see. After putting 5 days, the password inactive is start showing April 21st. So what does it mean? It means that user Venkata, suppose, is not able to change his password till 16th of April. So what will happen on 17th of April when he will try to log into the Linux server? He will forcibly ask to change their password. Let me show. This way, whenever a user will try to access on 17th of April when his password gets expired, he will get this message, your password has expired, you must change your password now and log in again. So the next 5 days he has an option to change his password and can log into the server. Suppose user was not available or he was in vacation and is not able to change his password. So what will happen? Suppose the day has reached to 21st, and after 21st of April his password will become inactive, and after 21st when Venkata will try to log into the system, he won't able to access, his password gets expired. It means it is inactive. So Venkata at that time he needs to talk to the system administrator or Unix administrator who is managing the user account to get his password reset. So that option is for the password inactive. Now what is account expire? Let me put some date for account expiration. Chase. For that I would be using capital E, and I am putting this 15. This is the month and any day. Now you can see the account will expire on May 15th of May. Suppose user is not able to change his password till 15th of May. After 21st of May he won't able to reset his password, but he has an option to talk to the Unix administrator for the password reset. Suppose he was on very long vacation and Venkata was not able to change his password till May 15th. So what will happen? His account will expire. And as per in any organization, if someone's password gets expired, in that case he has to provide the valid justification why he was not able to change his password till his account gets expired. So this way we have learned few commands like chase -M and capital I for inactive and capital E is for the account expiration. So in interview we have seen that they can ask you what is difference between password expiration, password inactive, what is account expiration. So we can explain with these examples. Here we can see few more options like minimum number of days. It means suppose a user has changed his password on 6th of April and you have put minimum number of days for 2 days or 3 days. So till 3 days the user won't able to change his password. At least for that minimum of days he has to keep that password, and maximum number of days is the same, your account get expire. That would be the next 10 days. And the minimum number of days, the warning message, it would be start getting the warning. You can change with this chase -capital W if you are putting 3 days. So what will happen after 3 days? The Venkata user will start getting a warning message. You can see this. Okay friends. So friends, that's all for this lecture. Hope you have got an idea how we can use the chase command, and I believe after this lecture lab session you will start learning, and will do some practice from your side as well. So I am requesting to my students, just try to fire those commands which you have learned in this lecture from your own, and do the practice. So thanks for time. If you have time, please join with me in the next lecture.